Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI, and if you have small holes or cracks in your wall and you want them to virtually disappear, I got you. This little product is called Erase a Hole. And what does it do? Exactly as the name says. It's basically putty that you use to fill like small holes or cracks that you might have on your wall. And it's so easy to use. You do not need to be an expert repair person or anything. It's very beginner friendly. You simply just rub it over the hole or the crack, wipe away any extra, and then just let it dry. And that's it. No other tools are necessary, but of course you can use a tool if you feel like you need to be a little bit more precise, but you 100% do not need one. It's that simple. What I really love most about this product is that it works. I know that sounds simple, but it's so true. And if you don't believe me, let me show you again. I'm going to show you in slow motion. And you tell me, do you see the holes? No? Exactly. That's how well it works, and for that reason, I will be a forever customer. I live in an apartment, which means putting holes in the wall is a big no. However, I have about 12 holes that I made to hang these pictures, but I'm not worried because I have my little repairman right here, and I highly, highly recommend him. That's my point of view.